one of the things that I learned that really changed my whole mindset was this idea of compound interest, right? Something very basic. If you put your money in an account and leave it alone and forget about it, and it goes for years and years and years, it grows and it's free money. You didn't have to do anything to earn the money. You didn't have to do a darn thing. You just had to put it in the account and leave it alone. And that's how compound interest works, right? It takes that money, it attaches interest to it, and then it takes the money plus the interest. And if you let it ride, it just grows. And this is how really wealthy people manage funds, is by letting their money make money. So what do you guys think about that?
I think it's wonderful. What I've noticed is that a lot of budgeters and YouTubers are getting into like the high yield savings, and they're looking and they're realizing that they put their money there and leave it alone, it's growing. So for me, it's actually interesting and I enjoy it. But I also remember one point you gave us on one of your videos. You like, just pay attention to it, because sometimes it may change and it may go up and down, but you just want to pay attention to the interest rate that you're getting.
Yes, that's the other thing. The wealthy, if they don't pay attention to it, they pay people to pay attention to it. So we got to follow the wealthy in their mindset and how they operate. Okay. And so the wealthy say, if the rates go down, I want you to move it over here or go over here or there. So there's other options, right? There's CDs where you can lock your money in. Hey, Fiona.
Hey, Fiona.
Hey, Kay, so blessed. Kay,
Hey,
how are you? Woo. But yes, if you need to move your money around because you're going to get better rates, then do it. Don't leave it in the high yield savings account when the rates are, go down. Now we're about to have a change in office, so let's see what the rates do. They may go back up or they may go down. Let's just play it by ear. But you have other options. You have CDs. You have things you can look at as far as ETFs. On the stock market, ETFs are usually a basket of investments that you can invest in and see how things go. I mean, we have options. You don't have to stick with that savings account if it drops down to 2%, 1%. There are other options out there. So yes, Caprita, watch your money and keep abreast of what your earnings are. Look at your retirement accounts. Move them around if you need to. What are your thoughts, Paula, on the compound interest?
Compound interest to me is it's portable. It should be. It's portable. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Compound interest is you should be able to take that money and roll it over constantly, rolling over the dividends constantly and building off of that.
Yes.
That's how I see compound interest.
Yes. When you roll the interest over, your interest earns interest. So it's free money, guys. It's money that you put the money in and let it sit. If you had paid a car payment, that money would be gone, right? Yes. And so if you invest the money and just let it go, it's going to earn interest. And then that interest is going to earn interest. And so that money is making money and it compounds. So it's a powerful thing. And you really get to see the benefit when you leave it over time. What are your thoughts, man?
Well, to me, it's kind of like if you're stacking your money, you're making your money stack money.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Stack that paper. Woo!
Stack it up exponentially.
Woo!